We all want better policing, but how can we tell if new training methods are actually working?
Well, for decades, getting an answer has been super slow and expensive. It's a huge bottleneck.
The gold standard involves human experts watching hours of footage, analyzing every single interaction by hand.
The problem? It's just so slow. I mean, it can take months, sometimes even years. We need answers now.
So is there a faster way? Well, this is where AI steps in, promising the same job in just hours.
I mean, just look at the difference. When it comes to speed, cost, and scale, AI looks like a no-brainer.
But here's the big question. Is faster actually better? Can a machine really get the nuance of human behavior?
To find out, researchers set up a test using a real-world study on de-escalation training.
Here's the setup. Both human experts and an AI analyzed the exact same body cam videos.
And get this, the AI had no idea which officers got the training. It was a totally blind test. So, the moment of truth. Would the AI come to the same conclusions as the humans? Let's find out. And it worked. The AI's main conclusion was a match for the original, much slower human study.
What did they both find? That the training worked. Trained officers used a calmer tone and more respectful language.
You can see it right here. After training, there's a clear jump in how calm and respectful officers were.
But it wasn't a perfect match. The AI and humans disagreed on some of the finer details,
So AI looks really promising here. But the researchers are clear, we need to be cautious. It's not a silver bullet.
They're flagging 3 big things. Customize the AI, always have humans double-check it, and remember, this is just one study.
So what does this all mean? Well, getting evidence faster with AI might be a huge step toward better policing.